make it stop. Other than the drips, this old faucet is also getting difficult to operate. Both of these things are the result of a worn-out cartridge. The function of this device is to control the flow of water and alternate between hot, warm, and cold. In this case, the cartridge we are replacing is a Moen 1225. These are the tools I'll be using. First step is to cut off the water. Then remove the handle. Every kitchen or bathroom faucet will be a little different, but if it has a cartridge, it will look something like this. There is a copper retention ring that holds this part in place. The new cartridge came with this white plastic tool that can be used to loosen the old cartridge. You'll want to twist left and right on this thing until it moves easily. If you don't have one of those, or you want to pull the cartridge out to identify which one you need before the trip to the store, a needle nose pliers can be used to do the same thing. Now clamp down on the brass pin with your pliers and pull straight up on the unit. In some cases, there will be a part number printed on the side. Something else to note is that the old cartridge is covered in grease, and the new one should be too. I picked up some waterproof grease next to the replacement part at the hardware store. This stuff should be worked into the O-rings, rubber parts, and in between any gaps. The grease will help the new cartridge slide into place and protect the rubber seals over the life of the part. It should go in smoothly, but you can expect some force to be required. Then rotate the cartridge into place and insert the retention ring. I made sure that the hole in the brass pin was facing forward. This controls which side is hot and cold. If the temperatures are the reverse of the dial, rotate this pin 180 degrees. This faucet is pretty worn out, so to help the handle move more fluidly, I added some grease to a few more locations. Everything seems to be working well. With the water back on, you can test to make sure that the hot and cold sides are as you expect. Thanks for watching my first plumbing video. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see more around the house DIY content like this on the channel.